Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's a clip from San Jose to Boeing Field in Seattle that we recently flew. It starts off as we begin our descent checklist, and I've cleaned up a few portions in the interest of time. You'll notice a blur on the right side of the video, which is covering up company identification. Enjoy the flight.
Checking, double checking.
13 to 12,000.
Yeah, nothing on 1-4 right that affects us. Descent pressurization
Is set and coming down.
altimeters.
2997 3 times.
Our recognition lights.
Are on.
Auto feather.
Arm.
Winded fog.
It is off.
Nobody's in the back. Descent's complete. Approach briefing.
Is complete.
Cabin signs, we don't care. External lights.
Are off.
Nav and FMS.
All set up. 14 right.
Approach speeds VREF.
I see 105 is set.
Ice protection.
Hot 5 and windshields for now.
Can't do an in-range call, and passenger seats and tables. Nobody's back there. Approach brief complete. I will check if they have a
Oh, they don't have a frequency down there?
a non-air rate.
Oh,
It said it's out of service.
3365, Kevin, 5658.
Usually there's probably just the CTAF, but.
Show approach South 603, flight level 191. We're descending via the Hawk 7 landing south. Information Alpha. No 603 approach, thanks. Fun on 16 right. Got it, 16 right, thanks. Tour 27 approach, thanks. Fighting at 250 now to set to maintain 8,000 vectors, final approach course.
Alaska 96 through 14, descending via the Mariner 7 arrival.
Back with you.
Alaska 96, approach,
No
thanks.
changes.
Heading and maintain 10,000, final 16 right.
Present heading 10,000, Alaska 96.
King set to maintain 8,000.
Descent to maintain 8,000.
8,000.
8 set. Alright, so it's 10 to 1, and we are planning on him showing up at 2.
Yeah, 2 o'clock is the proposed time.
Heads down for second load to secondary flight plan.
Yep.
Alaska 96, flighting 110.
United passenger 15,400 on Mariner 7, we have Alpha.
Alaska 96, flighting 110, vectors, final approach course.
Heading 101. 110, Alaska 96.
Number 229 heavy, set approach, final runway 16 left, fire prisoner heading at a set to maintain 10,000.
Flight present heading, descend 10,000, 16 left. Right, 229er.
Cooler 27, set to maintain 7,000.
Right, 229er, request the RNAV AR Zulu approach.
229 heavy, roger, plan on the RNAV Zulu to 16 left.
Thank you, number
Okay.
229er.
Empire 4657, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound to Alaska Jet 10,000. Contact would be 118.2.
Looking for the Alaska Jet. Alaska's in sight, and contact 1182, Empire 4667.
SeaTac, 12 o'clock right there.
Cooler 27, set to maintain 5,000. Set to maintain 6,000, contact finals 125.9er.
125.9er for
And down to 6,000.
down to 6,000, thank you.
There's 6.
6. Approach. 6.5, descending 6,000, heading 340 with Quebec.
Jet approach, descend and maintain 2,200.
Descend to maintain 2,200. 2,200.
22.
Cooler 27, traffic no factor, reduce speed to 170.
But 170, Spooler 27.
Okay, yeah, Boeing Field. Renton is much more interesting to fly in and out of.
Yeah. Actually pretty busy with all the GA stuff they got there.
Yeah. And the terrain right south of the airport.
Yep.
That's why I was surprised when I was looking at the performance. I'm like, wow, I'm surprised we're not restricted out of there. Duh. Boeing Field in sight.
Cool. Look at that throttle, dude. It's like,
Ooh, that ferry must have broke down. It's got a tugboat behind it and in front of it.
I look at the torque difference.
903 Foxtrot, we have Romeo.
Almost like this left engine man is
Thank you.
903 Foxtrot, that's going to be confusing. Yeah, this is the airport.
Turn right heading 020, maintain 170 knots or greater.
Right turn 020 and 170 knots or greater for 9 Foxtrot Sierra.
zero 20.
020.
And you can just see Pain Field up there.
5 miles from Togay, flying heading 110, maintain 2,200, still established on localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 14 red for it.
Right turn 110, 2200, I'll establish or cleared the ILS 14 right.
Alright, 110 to join, clear to do it.
Roger.
Approach is armed. And the windshields are coming off. Yeah, airport site.
Maintain 150 knots or greater to Togay, contact Boeing Tower.
Alright, we'll do that and over to Tower. Take care.
Cessna 436 Air Papa, traffic 6.5 mile final to parallel runway. King Air, descending out of 2,200.
Good morning, Boeing, November. Is over Togay and the ILS 148.
King Air, Boeing Tower, good morning. Runway, correction, good afternoon. Roll 4 right, clear to land. Correction, traffic, left midfield downwind to the parallel runway is Cessna 1000 indicated.
Alright, we're looking for him and yeah, good afternoon.
Alright, clear to land 14 right. Missed approach will set at 6400. And go flaps approach.
Roger. Speed check selected.
Cessna 2 Romeo Alpha, traffic Medley Bay, descending out of 1700.
I thought he...
King Air number 3 behind the Cessna, heading in the downwind, roll 4 left, clear, touch and go.
I thought he didn't clear us to land. I thought he started to and then said, nope. They called the traffic, but I'll verify it.
Let's go gear down before the landing check. Props not reverse coming up.
King Air, first call says traffic is 11 o'clock, 3 miles. They're in a base turn to the parallel runway 900 indicated.
We're still looking.
Cessna 436 Sierra Papa, first call King Air traffic on a 2.5 mile final to the parallel runway descending out of 1000.
Where's little
King
bugger?
Air, the Cessna has your sight.
Roger. And can you confirm we're clear to land for...
King Air, runway 14 right, clear to land.
Thank you, sir. Clear to land 14 right. The Cessna is in sight now.
It's yeah, I got it.
So 2 Romeo Alpha, did you say yes?
We'll go flaps down.
Selected.
There's a second Cessna approaching the left base. They're also in parallel. They have you in sight.
Damn, that's tight.
Yep.
Boeing Tower Sky 120 Whiskey, is that Bravo 1 ready
Landing
for
gear,
departure?
3 green.
Down 3 grand.
Landing taxi lights
are on.
1 landing traffic.
Flaps.
Hold short at 14 right, Bravo
Are
1.
down indicated.
121
Props.
Full forward.
Radar terrain set. Environmental bleed air is low. Surface de-ice is off. Flaps are down. Autopilot yacht amp is off. You're clear to land. 4 line check complete.
Boeing Tower, Spooler 27 on the ILS 14 right.
Minimum.
Fuller 27, Boeing
Ref
Tower.
at 10, sinking 800.
200.
14 right, Spooler 27.
Catching the Cessna.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
What was that?
Gust or something.
Wake from the Cessna. Felt like a jolt. long as it wasn't the prop.
I also got the engines attached.
Here, CRSA parking.
Signature.
Turn left Alpha 9, contact ground point 9er.
Left at Alpha 9 and ground point 9. Two more.
We'll go up.
Alpha 9. There is
3065 Papa.
there is an FBO on this side here
number
too.
1 for the runway now, runway 1 for the left. They're touch and go. Runway Alpha Roger, just continue following the Cessna upwind and make sure you build plenty of space there.
If you listened to the tower's initial transmission after we checked in, the controller said,
Boeing Tower, good morning. Runway, correction, good afternoon. Runway 4 right, clear to land. Correction, traffic. Left midfield downwind to the parallel runway is Cessna 1000 indicated.
So I heard that as cleared to land 14 right and a traffic advisory for the parallel runway 14 left. The co-pilot heard the correction as a rollback to the previously stated landing clearance, which is why he brought it to our attention. Two things we can take away from this. Number 1, excellent CRM, crew resource management. If in doubt, speak up and make it known. Always verify with ATC if there is any confusion on their instructions and clearances. Number 2, in all of my flying when I've been issued a takeoff, approach, or landing clearance and then have it canceled, I've always heard the words cancel takeoff clearance or cancel landing clearance, followed by new instructions. But I'm not saying Boeing Field's tower controller is wrong. I certainly want to know the proper ATC phraseology, so if there are any air traffic controllers watching this video, please comment below. This will be a good learning lesson for everyone. Anyways, off of my soapbox. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, happy flying.